Hello and welcome again to another video. Today I'm going to bring you something very nice for my bike. So I got the GP shift converter. It's the Woodcraft brand. It's going to be right here. So we're going to be installing that one. And also this Rizoma Pro Rider pegs. So we're going to replace that. Replace it right here. This one's right here. And then we're gonna replace we're gonna install the GP shift on the bike. So tune up and let's see how it's done. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this clip right here. You can see it. I'm using this tool. Remove the clip. Alright, so remove it. Remove the clip right there. And we're going to try to push this one out. Okay. Alright, we removed it here from here. Now we have to figure out how to install these new ones, right? So it looks like... Alright, we gotta keep this spring. So this is gonna be installed in here. And this spring that was originally here, it's gonna be installed like this. This one goes here. And then this one will go in here. Alright, and then we're going to use this that was originally installed, and we're going to get this through. Let's go this through. Alright, let's get it done. Alright, this was a little bit tricky though. So, because of the spring, right? So what I did first, I put this port in here first, right? And then I use this ball right here just to get through the first hole, hold her in there, and then I push the spring in, and then I got the ball all the way through. So now what we have to do is just make sure you install the spring right here, the ring, whatever we have in here, just to close it, okay? So we have it right here. There you go. Alright, once this is installed, first part, we're going to install these things, right? The pegs. So we're going to need a 6mm hex key. Install it right here. And then get it through. 1 second, baby. 1 second, 1 second.
I need to pull that backward.
Alright, and this is the final look of the new pegs. So now we're about to install the GP shift, right? So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this one right here. All right, so this is a 6mm X key, and then we need a wrench, a 14mm, that's gonna hold its bolt in the back. All right, you can see it. Let's take it out. I had to switch to this one. It makes it easier than just a regular hex key, but it still is a 6mm. Alright, so we removed this one right here. We need a 10mm wrench. So we have these two screws right here. So we're gonna use thread locker, the blue gel. That's the recommended one, which is just medium strength, right? So just put it around. All right, so now we install this part right here. Cool thing about it is that you can move it or install it in different positions right here. They have different holes, as you can see. There's 6 of them. Here, I'm gonna start maybe right here. And then comes with a screw right here. But we're gonna use the thread lock as well. All right. Alright, so now that we have this assembled already, so we're going to install it right here, right? We're going to need this part right here. This one. So we go through here. And we're going to use this spacer that came with the kit. Okay? I'm going to put the spacer right here. And then we have this bolt that we installed yet. Alright? Let's put it right here. Back. All right, so we need a 13mm wrench on the back, and then this is a 5mm hex key. All right, so now we're going to install this one here. And this is the final installation of the Woodcraft GP shifter converter.